Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, I'm doing the current reading of your partner. What's going on in their mind and what's going on in their heart. Let's begin that. At your person is very guilty at present. Just see how guilty this person is, and they are not even bothered whether you are looking whether you are on a dying or alive. They are not even bothered about death also, because so much they are guilty in them only, in their own only completely, you can say that. In that kind of energy a person is there, because they have done so many mistakes by going in third party, by listening to other friends or their family. So this person is not able to face you at all. They don't know what you are going through right now. They feel you are not going to accept them. This and this kind of feeling is going in their mind. That's why they are not looking at you, because they are completely disheartened, you can say that, completely disheartened. They are definitely coming into their integrity. This is the truth. They want to tell the truth to you. They want to communicate. Both cards are very positive, but the third card is coming, the Hermit card. Every time they keep on thinking. This person is a thinking person, you can say that. They only think of communicating with you, telling you the truth, telling you about the entire story, why they went to the third party, or why they were not able to approach you, why they behaved this way with you. All this kind of things goes on in your person's mind continuously, but they are not able to take action. Only thinking, only, you can say that, only on a very base level, only on base level they think about it. They will make their mind, yeah, I will contact you, but the very next moment it goes into a hangman position. They stall the relationship. They make a pause. They are not able to take any action. This person's awakening is going on. The only relief that this person gets is from you. When you contact them or you message them, this person gets kind of relief, some kind of relief, you can say that. Otherwise this person is completely disheartened. They don't know what to do. They even feel that at times that you are not interested in them right now. You have run away from them because all those mistakes, how they behave with you, how cruel they were with you. At times they have even told you very mean things also. They know that. So because of that, they are not able to make a decision and call you. Actually they think about all these things, but they are not able to change it into action, you can say that. Love is definitely there. Ace of Cup card is coming, plus Ace of Swords. Two aces are coming in this card. So definitely they have strong love feeling for you, and they have realized all these things after whatever wrong has happened in their life. After that they have realized that, yeah, this is my true love. After the third party has backstabbed them, or they have come to know the true nature of the third party, now they are realizing that this is my true love. Definitely a King of Pentacles card is coming. So this person is trying to ground themselves. Previously this person was very egoistic, very materialistic, and because of that they were not giving you that much importance. But now this person has realized, in front of love, materialistic things don't play any role. How much ever money you have, but you can't buy true love. That's this thing your person is realizing, or God is making you realize a person. This is a very important lesson your person is learning in life, you can say that. Very important lesson. First this person was really very mean and very egoistic also. But whatever has happened is with this your person, third party has backstabbed them, or whatever thing has happened in their life, anything wrong has happened, by the financial constraint also this person has faced, this kind of the relatives have backstabbed them. Because of that this person is realizing who was the true person who always stood by them. They are realizing this. Their mistake they are realizing. When a person starts realizing their mistake, it becomes very difficult for them to accept themselves only. They start cursing themselves also. How can be I so mean? How can I behave with this way with this person? This person was so nice to me, and this kind of feelings starts running in this person's mind, and they are completely heartbroken, you can say that. Flow is a destiny card. So definitely person is going with the flow, but at present they are very upset. I am telling you now, this person is really very upset, and they are not able to see anything. Just see in this also the person's eyes are closed, and even in this at present the person is refusing to see. In the very first of the base of the card I have told you, the person is feeling guilty, and they are not even seeing you right now. I am telling, they are not seeing anything. They don't want to see anything, because this person is only in themselves right now. They are only cursing themselves. They don't know how to face people, they don't know how to face you. That's why they are not seeing you also right now. The sacral chakra is getting definitely activated. This person's sacral chakra is getting activated, and because of that they have come out of the third party. You can say that when the person's sacral chakra is either overactive or it is completely blocked, because of that the person enters into third party relationship. So now this person's sacral chakra is balanced. You can say that because of that they have come out of the third party relationship, and now they are choosing their battle. They are going in, a battle is going on in their mind at present right now. They are comparing you with the third party, they are comparing you with their family members also. They are comparing each and everything in their life right now. So a kind of a battle is going on in your person's mind, and this person is definitely moving towards spirituality. 7 number card is coming. So all this thing is happening in your person's mind and heart. You can say the big major change is going on in your person's mind. Actually, you can say that their ego is dying. So all this will take time for a person to come back. Actually, they are seeking the truth. They want to know the truth of their life. You can say not only your truth, they want to know the truth of their life. Actually, what is truth in their life, who are the real people in their life. They are trying to gain that knowledge, and they are releasing all the hurts they have got from this world. You can say that no hurts they have given you, they are even releasing that also, because the pain they have given you, that pain is now bothering them, that pain is hurting them right now. Because when the person realizes that this person is my true love, and when they start thinking about that person, they think about each and everything, whatever mistakes they made with this person, whatever things, little things they said you, or whatever things they done to hurt you by going into third party, posting the pictures with third party. All these hurts now, all these hurts are paining your person right now. So they are releasing all these things, and there's a Empress card, World card is, so definitely all this is an ending. You can say major ending, major arcanas last card, it is a World card. So definitely all this is a major ending for your person. You can say that a cycle, big cycle is closing up, and a person wants to open up with you, open up. They want to come to you, they want to give you commitment, but at present they are not in that state, because they are releasing their hurts. You can say that let them release this pain, let them overcome from that guilt. In the guilty position, a person can't come towards you. They have to come out of their guiltiness. They have to forgive themselves. Before forgiving anyone, they have to forgive themselves. So all these things a person is right now doing, they are forgiving themselves. You can say that. See the healing light. The universe is helping a person to heal. They are healing actually. Even you are doing inner work, that is also healing your person. You can say that. So they are in a healing state at present, and even they are turning spiritual. I am telling you, sacred temple card is coming. They may be visiting temples, or they may be praying to God. Something this kind of thing is going on with your person. They are definitely turning little bit of spiritual also. I can say that the new beginning, definitely they want to make a new beginning. They are waiting for the new beginning. Even you are waiting for this new beginning to start, and even your person is waiting for the new beginning. But at present they are not in the present power. The present power card is coming in the reverse. This is the present power card is coming in the reverse. So your person is not have that strength, or they are trying to gain that strength. They are not in the power right now. Let them gain their power. Let them come out of the guilt. Let them come out of the shame. Then they will be able to come into the present power, and they will approach you. Okay friends, hope you got some idea what your person is going through right now. Thanks for watching.